Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. In continuation to ongoing series of food microbiology on my channel Food Cyto, today I am going to discuss about yeast. We would be discussing about their morphological features, reproduction and cultural characteristics. Let's begin. The term yeast refers to those fungi which are not filamentous but unicellular and ovoid to spherical in shape and reproduce by budding or fission. Yeast may be harmful or useful. How can they be useful? For example, in products involving fermentations, for example, bread, wine, cheese, vinegar, etc. And yeast can be undesirable when they cause spoilage of foods, for example, fruit juices, honey, jelly, meat products, etc. Discussing about their morphological features, yeast may be spherical to ovoid, lemon shaped or pear shaped, triangular or elongated in the form of mycelium. They also differ in size. Visible part of their structure is cell wall, which may be albuminous or starchy. Now let's move on to their reproduction. Most yeast reproduce asexually by multilateral or polar budding, in which a part of protoplasm bulges out and this grows in size and finally walls off into a yeast cell. In some yeast, bud appears to grow from a tube-like projection from the mother cell. Sexual reproduction results in ascospores followed by the conjugation of two cells. And these ascospores may differ in color, smoothness or roughness of cell wall and shape. Now let's discuss about their cultural characteristics. As mentioned here, growth appears as a film on the surface of liquid media, suggesting the formation of oxidative or film yeast. Production of carotenoid pigments indicate the presence of genus Rhodotorula. Yeast colonies are mostly slimy or mealy, whitish in color, but they may be creamish or pink colored also. As shown here, yeast can be oxidative, fermentative or both. Oxidative yeast may grow as a film or pellicle or scum on the surface of liquid media, therefore termed as film yeast, whereas fermentative yeast grow throughout the medium and produce carbon dioxide. That's all about morphological features, reproduction and cultural characteristics of yeast. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning in a simplified manner. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.